Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wasallim. Welcome to Usman Nizami channel. In this video, we are going to learn an honest girl in the period of Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu is second Khalifa. So in the world like him, no one ruled, no one did the government like him. So even though he was the great king and great Khalifa, but he spent life very simple. He used to live in simple house, and also he used to wear the such a cloth which one is turn, and he used to wear the shoes, turn shoes also. So after doing the hard work, so whenever he gets tired, he used to sleep in a corner of the masjid. So this simplicity in any ruler, in any king does not have. Besides this, in the Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu's Khalifa period, in the night time, he used to do patrolling. He used to check. So is there any problem among the people? Are they facing any difficulties? So one security guard was there, always with Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. That security name is Aslam. One day Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu came out for patrolling purpose to see the people in the night time. So what happened? Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu is patrolling, checking either people are in the problem or they facing any difficulties. So Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu listen one voice, one lady voice. That lady was telling, mix the water in the milk. So Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu stopped near that house to know, to listen what is going on. So one girl was replying, so I will not mix the water in the milk. So that lady told that, don't argue with me, listen whatever I am telling you, mix the water in the milk. That girl told that, how can I mix? Because how can I give the answer to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala? Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala will disagree with me. And also, how can I go when the Amirul Mu'mineen ordered, don't mix the water in the milk and don't sell it? So how can I become the disobedient of the Amirul Mu'mineen, disobedient of the Khalifa? That lady told that, here where is the Amirul Mu'mineen? Where is the Khalifa? No one is here. Listen whatever I am telling you. So that lady told that, okay, the Khalifa is not here, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching us. So what shall we give the answer? So here we are doing two wrong things. One is we are disagreeing the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. First is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will disagree with us. Second is we are going the against of Khalifa. We are the disobedient of Amirul Mu'minin. So which one? I don't want to do it. This kind of discussion was happening. Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu told to his guard, yes, point out and fix this house from where we listen the voice. In next day, next morning, we will check, we will see. So my dear friends, next day in the morning time, Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu sent his guard Aslam to go and check who are those two women and what is the matter of that house. So the security guard went there and checked and collected the information about that house and came near the Amirul Mu'minin Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu and said that, O Amirul Mu'minin, so that lady is the mother and she is widow. Her husband has died, and that another girl, she is the daughter of this widow. So they sell the milk. So Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, when Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu knew that this girl is fearing from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, and also this girl, when the Khalifa, when the Amirul Mu'minin is not there, so she is the obedient girl. She is not going against of Allah Ta'ala, and also she is not going against of Khalifa. So in this result, Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu decided that to do the marriage of his son Hazrat Asim Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu with that girl. So Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu sent the proposal of marriage of Asim Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu with that honest girl. So my dear friends, do you know who is this girl? In later, in the family of Bani Umayyah, one great king was there, Umar bin Abdul Aziz. Who is Umar bin Abdul Aziz? He is the grandson of these. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala that, oh Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, show us the right way, the way of the Khalifa. Oh Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, put the love of Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Oh Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, give the honesty like that girl. Oh Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, put us the love of Islam. Oh Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, accept all our prayers. Oh Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, because of these Awliya Karam or Buzurgan Deen, solve all the problems. So my dear friends, please comment, suggest and advise me, and thank you for watching my videos.